Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Thielen. This video is going to show you guys how to use two different strategies to solve basic multiplication and division problems. These strategies should look familiar as we have done them in class, but I wanted to make a video so you could watch it at home, practice again, go through the different steps so that way you become familiar and you are able to solve these in class. Watch as I am doing these. I encourage you to take notes while you are watching it, jot down what I'm doing. Go ahead and pause the video along the way. That way you can kind of see each step. If you need to rewind the video, watch it a few times, really get it down. I encourage that as well. At the end of the video, you guys will have a couple problems that you will need to solve that you will turn into me tomorrow for some credit. Okay, so let's get started. First one I'm going to do is the skip counting to solve a multiplication problem. The first one is 3 times 5, so that means 3 groups of 5. So when I'm skip counting, I'm going to count by 5s 3 times. So let's go ahead and count. 5, 10, 15. So I only count 3 times because it's 3 times 5. So 5, 10, 15. My answer is 15. So skip counting is pretty simple. The next one I'm going to do is draw a picture. So again, it's 3 groups of 5. So I'm going to draw 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put 5 dots in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then all I simply need to do is count up all the dots. You can simply, again, skip count, or if you want to count them individually, that's fine too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So once again, I have my answer of 15. Okay, so those are two very simple strategies, skip counting and drawing a picture to multiply. The next slide is going to show you division. To divide, I'm going to use the same strategies of skip counting and drawing pictures. It's slightly different though with how I skip count and how I draw the picture, so pay close attention. This problem I'm going to do 12 divided by 4. This little line here means divide. I know we use the other symbol in class, but that's how you use it on a computer, so it just means 12 divided by 4. So in this time when I'm skip counting, I'm going to count by 4s, but I stop once I get to 12. So let's go ahead and skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12. So I stop once I get to 12 because that's the biggest number that I'm going to. So then to find my answer, all I simply have to do is count how many times did I skip count. 1, 2, 3. So my answer for this one is 3. Now when I'm going to draw my picture, I am going to this time draw 4 circles, and then I am going to put 1 dot in each because when you're dividing, each one has to be equal. So I'm going to start with my 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I'm going to put 1 dot in each, and I will stop once I get to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I stop right there because my big number is 12 because it's 12 divided by 4. Then to find the answer, all I simply have to do is count and see how many dots are in each circle. It should be the same if I did it correctly because remember, they each have to have the same amount. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 in this circle. 1, 2, 3. 3 in this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Each of them has 3. So again, my answer is 3. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Again, you can use the same strategies for multiplying and dividing. It's just slightly different for how you use the strategies. Again, I encourage you to rewind this video, watch how I do it, practice yourself, make sure you feel comfortable, and then you guys are going to go ahead and solve problems on your own. You now have 6 problems to solve. Pretty easy, only 3 multiplication and 3 division. I want you to use the strategies that I just showed you to solve the multiplication and division problems. I must see work on your paper. Please do not just give me an answer. I need to see if you skip counted or you drew your pictures. So the first side, or the first problem, I guess you can do, and I guess it doesn't really matter which order you do them in, however you want. The problems are 2 times 6, 4 times 5, 3 times 7. Your division problems are 15 divided by 5, 10 divided by 2, and 24 divided by 6. Please put them on a separate piece of paper. Make sure you put your name on it and your number that you will turn in for credit tomorrow once we start math class. Again, if you are starting to feel frustrated or if you're forgetting the strategies or anything like that, go ahead and rewatch the video. Watch it again, see how I use the strategies, and apply them to solve these same problems. All of you guys can do it. We've done them in class. I am very confident that you guys can solve these at home just like you guys have done. Okay, I'm excited to see your guys' work. Good luck, and I know you'll do great.